Hello everyone, I'm Chandresh and you are watching my art channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all guys, everyone, my subscriber and who is watching this video now. Because it's been 13 days since I haven't posted any video here, but you all guys are here for with me. So I just really want to thank you all guys. Okay, who is new here and watching my video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please do it and press the bell icon for my latest video updates. Now these days I was unable to record my artwork video and post it here, so during these days I have done some work on different drawing and today I am going to share it with you guys. Today I am not only going to share this video of my drawing, but I am going to tell about each and every drawing with different material I have used to complete that drawing. So let's start with this two drawings, cat and a horse. Wherever you guys are trying to sketch animal drawings, at the time you need to come up with the very small details. So I prefer that you use very less grade pencil and the pencil that have very small tip like 0.5 lead mechanical pencil. And if you have normal HB pencil, then it also works greater for this kind of drawing. In this both of drawing I have used 0.5 lead mechanical pencil for showing the hairy portion of the body, and in this cat I have drawn all the fur and small hair of its mustache is only with this 0.5 lead mechanical pencil. Okay, the small detail you can see here is this cat's eye is looking very shiny and realistic. I have used dark marker and a white ink gel pen for making the shadow of her eyebrows in eye very clear. Okay, so you can use this for making more realistic effect in eyes and other body parts. Let's move on to next. This is Silver Surfer, very popular character from Fantastic Four animated cartoon series. This drawing is done with two different grade pencil. This one is HB 0.7 lead mechanical pencil and another one is B6. The B6 pencil I have used for the dark portion of this character body, and another one HB pencil I have used for the lighter area. So this is how you can use two different grade pencil at a time and create the real solid effect. You can see that some of this character's body is very dark and some of body portion is very light, and for the blending purpose I have used this 2-number blending stump. Okay, if you guys don't have blending stump, you can use cotton earbuds. It also works great. Okay, so the next drawing is Witcher from the Netflix series. This drawing is same done with the old material like HB graphite pencil and another one for the dark area B6 grade graphite pencil. And for the blending purpose, this time I have used number 4 blending stump. Moving to the next one. Okay, I think you all guys really know him because he is the very famous character from the Batman Arkham game series. He is the Joker. Okay, this drawing I have completed with the two different grade graphite pencil. First is the HB normal graphite pencil with the 0.7 lead, and another one with for the dark areas I have used this B6 grade graphite pencil. In this drawing, if you can see that I have not done blending as much as the old drawings. Okay, so in your drawing, if you don't need much blending, then you can leave it as it is, and your drawing will be look like realistic without the blending. Okay, now moving to the next drawings done with the same materials. Thor from Thor Ragnarok movie. This artwork I have created with the same drawing materials, same pencils and same blending tools. Another one is this Tony Stark from Iron Man 3. Okay, now let's see who is the next. Okay, he is the Kratos from very famous video game series God of War. This one is actually from God of War 4. Okay, now let's move to the another drawing. This one is Scorpion from very famous old game series Mortal Kombat. This drawing is also done with two different kind of drawing materials. For shading and the blending purpose, I have used different grade charcoal pencils. This one is soft and this one is natural charcoal pencils. Both these pencils I have used for the shadow creating under the eye portion and under the neck of this character. For the mask of this character, I have used Faber color pencil. So as you can see, using two different grade pencil of charcoal and another color material, I have done this artwork. Okay, now let's check another drawing. Okay, I think she's really cute. The interesting thing about this drawing is that I have used only one fixed grade mechanical pencil. This is a 0.7 HB grade mechanical pencil. Only using this one grade pencil I have done shadow work and blending work, and also using this pencil I have drawn her hair with the small details. So this is how, if you want to draw a complete drawing with the same grade pencil, but the really important thing is you need to apply the pressure as per requirement, and you can draw very realistic artwork.